What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another windy episode of 970 Bass Fishing. Today we're out here at Pirate Lake. There's a lot of chop out here. As you can see, perfect for moving these fish up, moving these bait fish into these wind-blown banks, and the bass are soon to follow. So starting off, of course, I'm going to throw some moving baits. I'm going to throw the spinner bait and the chatter bait possibly. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to slow down and I'm going to work the jig or a Texas rig. I got a little black beaver bait on. We're just going to try kind of all the spectrum, but I'm going to start off with what I think and what the textbook may say. Moving baits, choppy days, bigger baits, you can get away with it. You can sneak one or two past these big girls. So hopefully it's not too windy, guys. I'll get you out on the chesty and let's start making some casts. See you on the chesty. Alright guys, I'm starting off with this spinnerbait here. It's got a trailer hook. Always a good idea to put trailer hooks in case those fish don't quite commit, but you can still get them on that back hook. It saved my life a few times. So let's start here at this spot. Let's see what we can put together as far as today's bite goes. This is one of the most perfect days. I love these days. Just before a storm comes in, it's always a perfect time to take advantage of these big fish. Let's flip this little Texas rig beaver bait out there. Let's see if anybody's on a slow bite here. Oh, I missed him. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I did find one. Oh. I missed 2 fish already today. 2 fish I could have bagged in the boat. There's one. They're running away from me. Running far. You're not getting off. You're not getting off. Oh yeah. What's up, Big Mama? Yes! Man, that's a big one. Oh yes! Woo! Oh man, look at you. Look at you. Look at that, guys. Freaking toad. Oh my gosh. Just subtle bite, guys. Let's get a weight real quick. It's got to be 4. $3.10. Freaking heck. Almost 4. Bigger than 3.5. That's a freaking tank. Heck yeah, that fish swallowed that. Look at that, guys. Freaking swallowed that. Alrighty. Alright, folks, look at that freaking tank. Big old giant bucket mouth. Freaking huge tank. Let's get the hooks out of her. Alright, let's get the release. Let's get this girl back in the water. Holy smokes, that's a big fish. Alright. There she goes. Yes, folks. It's starting to rain out here. It's gonna be pretty crappy here in a little bit, but we're gonna try for a little longer for the time I got. We're gonna try to catch one more. So let's get back at it. Boom. That fish fucking. Alright, guys, we're gonna throw that Texas rig again. That fish freaking hyped me up. I love catching big fish like that. Granted, it's only about a 4-pounder. Still doesn't beat Danny's fish at 4.1. Heck yeah. Whew. Man, that was a fight. That was a good fight. That fish freaking took me from over here, back in here, dove in the weeds there. We're just gonna let it rain right on us. We're gonna stay out here till the freaking sun goes down. We're gonna fish it out. I honestly didn't even feel that fish bite. I went to pick up my line and I felt like there was a freaking dish rag on the end of it. So I reeled down and set the hook. Real subtle. Alright, folks, I'd say she's about had enough. It's about time for a new one. I took the legs off. Oh, okay. These are what I'm throwing, guys. Mismo. I don't know what they're called. They're like little craw/beaver baits. They got little paddler arms on them and some claws. They're all soaked in salt. And they're just black and red color. I'm using black and red because of the rain and the storm. The bottom of the lake's gotten dirty. I want something these fish can see through the grass other than what they're seeing in their natural colors. Something that stands out. These things are really freaking salty. See if we can hit another one right here. Or get this one that keeps toying with us. but the water's getting nice and calm. These fish are probably settling down after all that wind. Alright guys, this will be the last cast here. We're going to load everything up and go to the spot A before the sun goes down. Alright guys, the day has ended today. What a great day. Only one fish though, but caught him on the Texas rig Matsuo. It's like a beaver craw mix together. It's got little ribs on it, little paddle arms, and some claws. But yeah, that's how I caught him. Slow dragging it across the bottom. Felt like I had a wet dish rag, so I set the hook. There he was. He chased me around for a while, but I got him. I got him in. But that's about it, guys. If you like the video, smash that subscribe button, leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more. As always, guys, stay hooked. Get out there and catch some fish. Peace.